it is your job. Either you choose to compare yourself with other people who have better job, better money, better house, better skin, better health, better body shape than you, or you give your 100% to become the best version of yourself. So hey guys, my name is Vishali and welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that your only focus should be only you. So let's get into the video. See, if you are fitting in, that does not mean that you belong there. First you have to find out that what you really want to do, what your intuition is really telling you, how you are feeling about certain things, like what you want to do in your life, what type of human you are really, like you are a funny one or you're a shy one, you're extrovert or you're an introvert. You really have to first learn about yourself. You have to learn your needs first, and then you work on yourself. You cannot go anywhere and be like, this is who I am. No, you can't do that, because at the end of the day you gonna end up judging yourself with other people. You will constantly compare yourself with other people, and the other people are really good at what they are doing and you are not, and then you are going to be like, I can't do nothing, I am not capable of doing anything, and you start to doubting yourself. So do not do that. Just don't go anywhere and try to fit in. You have to ask yourself what you really want to do. You have to ask yourself who I am in a like a person, what type of human I am, how I feel about things. And then you tell, no, this is what I want to do, and I feel that I can do my best in this, and I am not going to compare myself with anyone, no matter what the other people are doing. That does not matter to me. I'm gonna do what I feel I should do, and I am not going to judge myself or compare myself with other people and be like that I can't do that. Do not be harsh on yourself. Show some kindness to yourself and give yourself time to learn that who you really are and where you belong. See, like I say always, every human being is so much different than the other person. So you do not have to, participate in a race where you don't even belong, where you don't know what you have to do. Like, if someone is so much great in studies and you are not, that does not mean that you are not able to do anything. That does not mean at all that you are not capable enough. If someone is good in studies, this is what they can do. This is something that they are really good at. And if you are not, then you do not have to try so hard to be good in studies. And start to always compare yourself that I have to get better marks than this, and I have to do this. No. Why you are pressuring yourself to do something that you don't want to do in the pressure of society and the people and the world? No, if you are not meant for that, don't do that. If you feel like that you can do that, go for it. But if you feel that I can't do that, I am not meant for it, then don't do it. It's not only about studies, it can be about anything. If you feel that you are not meant for it, don't do it. Don't do it. So there are so many girls who feel like that I am a girl who cannot be a wife, just a wife to someone, or a wife to someone, because being a wife, being a husband to someone is a huge responsibility, and creating a family is a huge responsibility. And some people feel that they are not able to take that responsibility, which is absolutely fine. It is their right to do what they really want to do. And if society, people, and the world is judging them, let them. If you do not just want to be a wife to someone or a husband to someone, and create a family, and you don't want to do that, and you feel like that you cannot handle that pressure, and it is a huge responsibility, and you are not able to handle that responsibility, then don't do that. If people are judging you, let them, because if you, in the pressure of society and people, you get married and you created a family, and then you won't be able to handle that pressure and that family responsibilities, everyone will gonna judge you again. You see, do you understand that if you did get married and you didn't do well, they're gonna judge you. If you didn't get married, they're gonna judge you. And at the end of the day, if you get married and you did well, they are gonna judge you anyway. People are gonna judge you anyway, no matter what you do, no matter what you say, no matter what you like, no matter what you don't like, no matter what you dream about, no matter what is not like you want to do or what you don't. They are gonna judge you anyway. Why you are so much worrying about people and the society? No, they are not gonna come and be like, it is okay, it's okay, Vishali, we are there for you, and we'll help you to buy your favorite clothes, we'll help you to have world tour, we will help you to grow, we will help you to get a better health, better mental health. No, no, no one is gonna do that for you. Only you are the person who can do all of these things for yourself. So you better do what you want to do, and never feel pressured by the society to do what you are not meant for. Sometimes I really feel sad for little children. They are running in a race where they don't know like what they are doing. You see, all the children are going in the school and reading the same books, and always running for the better marks. What if they don't want to study? Like, I'm not saying that study is bad stuff, and everyone should have knowledge, but the knowledge should be about what they are interested in. If someone is interested in football, give them the football. Do not give them book. If someone is interested in something else, and you are giving them what you think that right according to the society, they're gonna end up alone and not doing good at anything, and they will blame you also when they will get young and adult, and they will blame you. They will blame you for not letting them do what they wanted to do, and you really need to understand that. Stop pressuring your children and yourself also. If you think that you can't do that, leave it. And when you feel that you are able to do that and you can be the best at this, go for it and give your best for that. No matter if you win or you lose, that does not matter at all. That does not matter. At least you will be satisfied with yourself that I tried what I really wanted to do. I give it a shot, what I wanted to do. And what if it didn't happen? You give another chance. You give another chance. You give another chance. Every day is a new blessing, and every day you can give another chance. But at least you will be happy. At least you will be satisfied. At least you will be like, thank you, God, for letting me do what I really want to do. You won't be anxious and depressed. If you do not want to do 9 or 4, 9 or 3, whatever the job is, Do not do that. And if you feel like that you belong there and you should do that, go for it. That is good for you. But you feel that this is not meant for you, leave it. Leave it and do what you want to do. If you go where you don't want to, you know that this place is not meant for you, and all the other peoples are there, like they are meant for that place, and they are best at what they are doing, and you are not. You will shake your confidence that you will never be able to grow again. You will do that for sure. For sure you will do that. Like, you will be like that, I am not able to do anything. Everyone who is doing this thing very well, and I'm not able to do this. Something is wrong with me. I'm not normal. And you will start question yourself, start question your worth. So to believe in yourself, to feel confident, to know your worth, you should really do what you want to do and be the best version of who you are, and be the best, do the best thing that you think that you can do. Do not try the thing that you are not meant for and you can't do that. Do not be scared. Literally, nothing worse can happen. Like, literally, nothing can happen. You will fail. You will fail. But at least you are trying. But what if you win in what you want to do and what you really love to do? What if you win? You will celebrate yourself. You will be so proud of yourself. Do not be scared of doing things that you really love to do, because this is what you meant to do. Do things that you really love to do. Do things that give you real happiness. Do things that give you satisfaction. Make happy your soul. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye. Bye.